So hello guys, welcome in Urban Unboxing YouTube channel. So today we are going to compare two bands which are from Xiaomi. First is Mi Band 5 and second is Mi Band 4. So we are going to compare both side by side with their specifications and price range. So first of all, the price of Mi Band 5 is price of Mi Band 5 is at 189 yuan in China, which is roughly around 1900 rupees in India. But after increasing all the prices like 11 tax and other things, the price can go up to 2500 to 3000, whereas the Mi Band 4 was coming in India at about 2300 price tag. Now the display of Mi Band 5 is 1.1 inch, which is 20% higher than the older version, which is Mi Band 4, which is having 0.95 inches display. And also talking about the brightness at the same time, it is having a 450 nits brightness, and whereas Mi Band 4 was having 400 nit brightness. I was having Mi Band 4, but not now, and I don't feel any difficulty in viewing that band in direct sunlight. So, and 450 is much higher than 400 nits. So you will not face any difficulty in seeing that band in sunny areas where sunlight is direct on the band. And talking about the battery on the Mi Band 5 is 125 mAh, which is equal, which is coming in Mi Band 4, but the battery life has been slightly reduced to 14 days, which is very bad news for us, because Mi Band 4 was coming at 20 days battery life, which is a beast in that price segment. And talking about the charging, it took 2 hours of charging to charge the Mi Band 5 from 0 to full, and it comes with an magnetic proprietary cable, which is very easy to use, whereas the Mi Band 4 was coming with an outbound capsule which you have to insert in that cable so that you can charge it. Now talking about the chip used in Mi Band 5 is faster than Mi Band 4 and come with 16 MB storage and 512 KB of RAM, and it is having a sensor which is barometer, GOG, atmospheric pressure meter, which was not present in Mi Band 4, so that you can measure the pressure in the atmosphere. The Mi Band 4 and Mi Band 5 both are water resistant and with the depth of up to 50 meters. Mi Band 5 has the new feature, which is RAM sleep, which was not present in Mi Band 4 earlier, but now it has come. And the Mi Band 5 also has 11 sports mode, whereas the Mi Band 4 has much less than this. But considering that none of them have GPS inbuilt, Mi Band 5 is one step ahead at providing some other features like breathing exercise, menstrual cycle, and other functions which Mi Band 4 lacks. So at my conclusion, the Mi Band 5 will come at the price of 2500 to 3000, whereas Mi Band 4 was available at 2300. So you can purchase both of them because Mi Band 5 offers some features that are good than Mi Band 4, but they are almost equal to that. So investing more money like 500 to 1000 rupees extra in that same band would give you Mi Band 5, and it will be launching in India somewhere about 15 or 1 month from now, which will be about July. In July, because of this coronavirus situation, the launch has delayed in India, and also GST prices on electronics in India has rise simultaneously. Because of that, the price of that Mi Band 5 will be increased many folds in India. So you can also choose substitute of this like Honor Band 5. Honor Band 5 come in the same price segment of 2500 to 2300, which provide you almost the same features of Mi Band 5. So thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Hope you will find this informative.